Good news, bad news scenario as far as power outages are concerned. As we take a look at DTE's outage map, those red blobs are the hardest hit areas at this hour. Around 40,000 customers without electricity in southeast Michigan.
And believe it or not, that's actually down significantly from earlier today. But DTE expects more outages as the night goes on. Let's check in with Larry Spruill. He's following the restoration effort out in Macomb County. Larry, good evening.
Good evening, Kimberly and Devin. The winds really did a lot of damage out here in this Harrison Township neighborhood. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, knocking down parts of that tree right there in this neighbor's yard. But here is the tricky part. Right across the street, there is power. But on this side, right where we're standing, no power at all. And it's been this way for hours. This generator is the Duffy's only hope of even having a little bit of power at their Harrison Township home. They are victims of the high winds that ripped through Metro Detroit Wednesday.
Oh yeah, we got no power at all, none.
And Terrence Duffy tells me they have been in the dark since noon Wednesday, interfering with their Thanksgiving dinner preparation plans.
We're preparing. Everything's still in cans, stuff in the house. Turkey's still in the fridge.
His wife, Polly Duffy, is not happy about this situation.
We got all the fixes on the table here, ready to go.
Well, we have turkey stuffing, and we have 2 pumpkin pies, 1 cheesecake. We have sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes.
Fruit salad.
But as of now, all of this will just sit there.
Well, I'll show you a picture of my ice cream pie.
Just down the street, Lynn Mejia is also in the dark.
I can't get my laundry done. My dishwasher is full of stinky dishes. My dishes are piled up. I got pies in the freezer.
These pies are for after the big Thanksgiving meal, but Mejia says without power, they may not make it until then.
Well, we'll see. We might have some unfrozen ice cream desserts.
Meanwhile, these neighbors are just hoping when they give thanks tomorrow, they will be thankful for power. So I was telling you earlier about really it's a tricky situation out here just across the street over there. You can see lights are on. So what is happening here is that neighbors are really helping neighbors. If we can pan down to the ground, you see that orange extension cord. So neighbors are really lending their power to their neighbors here across the street. Meanwhile, I spoke with DTE and they tell me there are about almost 3,100 people still in this Harrison Township neighborhood, still without power tonight. We're live in Harrison Township. Larry Spruill, Local 4.
Pilgrims did it without electricity, but I'm not sure you want to get that authentic.
That's one
right?
way to look at it.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. Okay, Larry, we appreciate it. Well,